What's going on, everybody? Anush Kashefi here from dropshipsniper.com, and in this video I have something special for you. We're going to be talking about how I was able to generate thousands of dollars through the power of YouTube and how you can replicate my results. And as you can see on your screen, $600 per day, $560 per day, $500 per day, generating thousands of dollars every single week through the power of YouTube and how you can replicate those results. Plus, if you stick around to the end of the video, I'm going to give you one of my golden nuggets for how I was able to generate up to $18,500 with this one simple strategy alone. All right, so stick around to the end of the video and let's get this. So a lot of people come to me and they say, hey Anush, I want to get your dropship coaching. I can't afford it right now. And it's so crazy to me because there are a million freaking ways to make money online. I haven't always been doing e-commerce. I haven't always been doing big numbers in dropshipping, okay? I started out 6 years ago and it has been a journey, okay? So I've learned a lot throughout this journey. I've made a lot of money. I've lost a lot of money. And it's, like I said, a long journey. But starting out 4 years ago, as you can see, quick disclaimer, these shots that I'm showing you are not up to date. These are 4 years ago, guys, okay? I like to be open, honest, and transparent about everything that I do. These are older shots. So why the heck am I showing you this method? Because it freaking works. It works like gangbusters. If you just apply this method that I'm going to teach you, you can literally generate thousands upon thousands of dollars. And it's not going to start out where you're crushing it like you see on your screen. Okay. When I started out, it was in no way like that. It literally took me a while to get the hang of the system. And the first day that I generated commission, I literally screamed at the top of my lungs and started crying because it was like, man, this is real. This is real. And that's when the ball started rolling. I started attacking this business and I took it to the next level that you see here. Okay. And this isn't even the peak of what I was doing, guys. So let me go and show you some proof shots. I think it's important that you understand that this is the real deal, that I really did do this for a full-time living. And as you can see, the date here is the 15th. The year is the 15th. So that's 3 years ago. So I did this for like a long time, generating massive amounts of income. And you can see down here, the numbers dropped in 2015. Sorry, I have my microphone right here. So I'm like looking around my microphone. But so the numbers dropped in 15 as I stopped doing this method and I started doing more e-commerce, okay? Because I will say this method, it takes a little bit of grinding. You got to get in there and be in the trenches and take action. So let me show you what the results are and then we'll get into this. So you start off, you start making some sales, maybe a sale a day, a couple sales a day, and that's a different one. $5,000, $6,000 generated. That's not what I meant to show you guys. I want to show you that it starts off a little bit slow. I'm not doing a very good job of that. So today generated $1,630 there. Let me show you some here you go. Okay, so when you start off, you're going to start doing this method. You're going to start generating slow sales. Okay, so you maybe make $32 or you do $64 a day and you start snowballing it. And that's one of the coolest parts about this method is that you can snowball it and generate additional automated income just by snowballing this method up. Okay, so let's go ahead and check out some other screenshots here. $110. So it starts off a little bit slow and then we start stacking up here. As you can see, $4,742 in pending commissions. You can see, $279. And I'm not showing you guys this to brag in any single way. Obviously, this is like 4-year-old screenshots. Like, this is old news to me, right? But I'm showing you this to get in your mind that this is super freaking powerful. A lot of these commissions were generated while I was on vacation, while I was traveling the world, while I was hanging out with my family, going out to lunch or going out to dinner, and I'd come home and I'd see $645 for the day, okay? Or I'd go on a vacation and I'd come back with more money than the entire trip cost me, okay? So this is the power of this method. So there's more and more screenshots. I could literally go all day in screenshots, but that's not the point of this. Here you go, $1,160 in a single day. And I'm not showing you this again to brag. I'm showing you to show you the power of this method. This is 560. This is almost we're talking about $4,000 in a single week. Okay, so I think you guys get the power of the method. Here you go. This is literally $4,000 in like 4 days. Okay, so you get the power of this method. Now, what the heck are we talking about? Well, we're talking about reviews. Okay, and at the end of the video, I'm going to give you a golden nugget for how to absolutely skyrocket your success with this method. Okay, so stick around to the end. If you enjoy this content, be sure to subscribe because there's going to be awesome new content for you guys all the time. Okay, so what the heck are we talking about? We're talking about video reviews, okay? So you can create video reviews, throw them on YouTube, and generate these kinds of commissions, but you have to do it in a strategic way. All right, so step one of this process to start your review business is going to be signing up at affiliate networks. Okay, you need to sign up at affiliate networks so that you can get your special link, and anytime you promote your special link and somebody purchases, you're going to get credited for that sale, okay? And you'll get a percentage of that sale. So the first step is to sign up at some affiliate networks. The first network that I suggest is clickbank.com. You can sign up for free. Clickbank is the largest digital products marketplace on the planet, okay? So they have literally thousands of digital products from people like this guy, Adrian. He created a course, he put it on Clickbank, and he's willing to offer you a percentage of any sale that you generate of his course, okay? And it might be $50 or 50% of the sale, something like that. And you can just click and just see what's being offered. There's tons and tons of products, and even more when you go and sign up for your free account. But what we can see is, spyware, adware, softwares, and all sorts of different products that you can come in. There's health and fitness products. Let's go over here and check out health and fitness. This is a very big niche online, so you may want to look into this. And you can come in here, you find products that you're interested in that offer value to your potential customers, to your viewers, and you offer a solid review on that product, okay? It's so simple, okay? And we'll break down step by step how to do that. But the first step is sign up at an affiliate network, okay? Clickbank is an awesome network to sign up to, and I highly suggest you start there. Another network that I used, the pictures of all those screenshots with thousands of dollars a day, that was ClickSure. Okay, this is another network. ClickSure is more dedicated to trading and Forex. There are other products on ClickSure, but a lot of their products are dedicated to like binary options trading and Forex. Okay, but still, it's free to sign up. Go and sign up your account and get started. Get some links and start creating some content. Now, next affiliate network that you can sign up to is MarketHealth. This is more of a physical products network, so you'll be promoting things like you see on your screen, eye cream, Revitol eye cream, and you'll get a percentage of the sale. Each product will range in how much you'll generate as far as commissions. Okay, so you'll generate, typically it's going to be a percentage of the sale. Let's say maybe 50%, 75% is the highest on Clickbank, I believe, or maybe it goes a little bit higher, but you'll never see those 100% commissions where you'll see on other networks like Warrior Plus. Okay, Warrior Plus is another affiliate network. Well, it's linked up to WarriorForum. If you don't know what that is, check out WarriorForum. It's an awesome forum for internet marketers and make money online people. But Warrior Plus, this is where, again, sellers come to put their products on, and you can come and promote them for a percentage of that sale. Okay, so Warrior Plus, another network that you can sign up to and start generating some commissions on. All right, so here's some networks that you can sign up to. I highly suggest Clickbank. Once you have signed up, you need to find a product to promote. So that's the first step. Create your account at one of these networks and start finding products that you want to promote. And I suggest if you're just starting out on YouTube, you're just starting a new channel to do this business, that you really find a niche or industry that you're passionate about. Okay, so if you're passionate about working out, then My Bikini Butt might be a good fit for you. Otherwise, perhaps you want to try other industries. In all honesty, it doesn't matter what products you promote as long as you do it the right way. The last thing that we want to do, guys, is sign up to Clickbank and just start creating garbage videos that add no value to these products. Okay, so there's already garbage videos out there. The world doesn't need more garbage videos. What we like to do and how you're going to get exponential results with this method and completely crush the competition is by doing things a little bit different, offering value. Okay, so when we're doing a review, you got to imagine, what are people looking for? They want to know the ins and outs of this product. They want to know, should I get into this product? What are the pros? What are the cons? So think like your customer. Think like the person that's going to be viewing your video, all right? So you want to cover everything that goes into My Bikini Butt. So what I suggest, guys, is that you actually purchase this product. Okay, you purchase the product and you create an awesome review about that product. You go through the content, you maybe even test out the product yourself, and you give a solid review on YouTube. Okay, and that's the best way to do it, guys, because people are going to see that you purchased the course. They can see behind the scenes. You can even show glimpses of the products, and you can say what you liked and what you didn't like. Now, some people say, hold up. You say that I don't need a lot of money to start this. You don't need a lot of money. You can purchase these products. I don't suggest purchasing through your own affiliate link, right, to save the percentage that you would get back. But there's people that do that. Now, Instead of doing that, what you guys can do, a little trick for you guys here, is you can start contacting the product creator themselves and see if they will give you review access, okay? Because these people, you have to imagine, these sellers, they want sales of their product. So how can they get sales of their product? By getting it into people like your hands, right? They want reviewers to do honest reviews of their products, and they're willing, in some cases, to offer you a free version of that course, okay? So you may be able to contact My Bikini Butt, the owner. You send them an email and say, hey, I have a review channel. I would like to do a review of your course. Is it possible to get review access of this course so that I can offer my viewers an awesome review of your course, okay? And, you know, I'd say 40%, 30% of these people will say sure. Otherwise, you're gonna need to buy the product, okay? So you get access to the product, and you're gonna create a very simple review, okay? This can be about an 8 to 10 minute review. That's all it needs to be. You can even do less. And some people say, well, I don't wanna get on the video. I don't wanna be in front of people. Okay, that's fine. What I used to do is just screen share, okay? So log into the private members area and screen share. Hey, this is this, and all you have to show is show your screen. You don't even have to be in front of it. Just talk into the microphone, show your screen, and show people what they're getting, what you liked, what you didn't like. Okay, it's very simple. 8 to 10 minutes, and put the link, your special link, in your YouTube description, so that when people type in My Bikini Butt Review, your video pops up on YouTube, or it pops up in Google, boom. Now they watch your My Bikini Butt Review, they click the link that takes them to the sales page. It's your special link that tracks all your sales. Anytime they purchase, you're gonna get credited, okay? And that is the power of this method. That is how you can generate residual income on complete autopilot, guys. And so I want to end this powerful method, guys. You saw the proof. You know this works. It's very, very simple to do. If you just commit 1 hour a day to this, I'm confident that you will start seeing some sales in your affiliate network accounts, okay? But I do want to leave you guys with the golden nugget, as I promised. So how can you generate thousands upon thousands of dollars with this technique rather than just a few couple sales, okay? And it comes down to a full-blown strategy that I created, and here it is, guys. So we know where to find the products. We already talked about that. Clickbank, ClickSure, JVZoo is another network, Deal Guardian is another one. Launches, okay? Launches. This is how you're gonna absolutely crush it, guys. Launch jacking. If you don't know what it is, type that into the Google box, figure out what launch jacking is. We'll talk about it right now, though. So what is product launch jacking? Whoops. When a new product launches, guys, okay, the public starts hearing about it, especially when there's a lot of big marketers, or let's just go ahead and say Oprah was to promote a product. There's going to be a lot of buzz, right, about that product. So if you were to get in front of those people now searching Google for this new product that Oprah just, discussed on her show, you're going to get a lot of views, okay? A lot of those people that view your video are going to click the link, and a lot of those people that click the link are going to buy from you, okay? So it's all about getting in front of the people that are now searching for this new product. All this buzz, you want to get in front of all these people and siphon off sales from that product, okay? So imagine you type in bikini butt review. Let's just go do this real quick. So my bikini butt review. Okay, and what we're going to see is there's going to be tons and tons of reviews. Is it scam or legit? People are still using the same headlines that they used to use back in the day. Is it scam or legit? Okay, so you click here, and this guy, he doesn't have a video, but he has a website dedicated to this. And of course, if I go and I click this, he's going to get the sale, okay? So come back here, and let's go to videos. And you can see My Bikini Butt Review, okay? And as you can imagine, this link right here in his description is his special link. So let's go ahead. I'm just going to click this real quick, My Bikini Butt Review. And you can see it's a 1 minute video. A 1 minute video, guys. And all it does is drive 6,209 views to this link right here. Let me click this link and see where it takes me. Oh, who'd have thought? It takes me to a fat loss product that when I purchased this product, well, it actually takes me to a review where he reviews the product. And now if I come over here, go to official website, boom, My Bikini Butt. Of course, you can see hop equals, which means that's his affiliate link. This is his special link. If I go ahead and purchase this product now, this guy's going to get the sales. You stack up these reviews, and get in front of these products that are just being promoted, okay? So it's called launch jacking. There's a product right now that is launching, okay? And it's called Amazing Selling Machine. And the reason why I am promoting this product right now is because there is going to be a lot of buzz around this product. There's people like Stephen James. If you don't know Stephen James, he's one of the biggest Amazon YouTube guys on the planet, if not the largest. He has like 500,000 subscribers. He's promoting this product, okay? So 500,000 subscribers of just Stephen James are going to get information about Amazing Selling Machine. Okay, they're going to come check out Amazing Selling Machine, and what they're going to do is they're going to go search for reviews of Amazing Selling Machine. So they'll type in Amazing Selling Machine review. Boom. As you can see, all of these people are promoting their link. That's all they're doing. They're offering value. They give a little bit of information about the product. Perhaps they have a video, and they offer you a link to purchase the product. Now, one secret, the golden tip, guys, is you have to offer bonuses. Okay, if you want to make absolute crazy money with this, what you do is you offer a bonus for purchasing through your link. Okay, and it could be something as simple as a PDF that you created. It could be a one-on-one coaching with you. It could be software access. It could be anything that you really want, but by offering a bonus, an incentive to purchase through your link and nobody else, you will absolutely skyrocket your sales. This is how you're able to do $1,000 a day or $8,000 a month. People will see all of these reviews, but not all of these reviews will have amazing bonuses like you're going to offer, okay? And this is what incentivizes people to use my link. I even had people come back to me after they had already purchased through someone else because my bonuses were so awesome that they would say, hey, if I refund, can I purchase through you? And of course I'd say, no, that's like unethical. You just go through and go through with your purchase. You've already made your decision. But the point is they will come back. That's the power of the bonuses, guys. Okay. So this is got to be one of the easiest ways to start making money online through the power of YouTube, guys. You create a simple 1-minute video. You link to the product in the description, and you send people right to the sales page for the product they were looking for. Now, I will say that I wouldn't do it this way. This 1-minute video is garbage, and while it did get 6,000 views, it offered no value. So if you were to actually have access to the product and offer value plus a bonus, you can just absolutely skyrocket your results with this, guys. As you saw in all those screenshots, I don't need to show them again. This stuff really works, guys. And to show you that it really works, check this out. I'm going to come down here. Boo, 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 boo. I was a lot higher, but as I said, I'm doing this launch right now. Where's my name? Here you go, Anushka Sheffy. So this is updated. It's like in real time. Today's the 24th, and this ends today, the 24th. You can see my name right here. This stuff really works, guys. You can drive traffic to these products. You can start hitting what are called leaderboards. And look at this, just as a bonus, anybody that hits the top 5 is going to get $5,000 bonus, $3,000 bonus, $1,250 bonus. These top guys, just for being in the top 5, are going to get bonuses on top of the commissions that they promote. Okay, so this is the power of launch jacking. This is the power of reviews. This is the power of YouTube, guys. If you can just implement this strategy, put up 1 video a day, okay, and look back in 6 months and watch where your income has gone. Okay, yes, it's a grind. Yes, you have to do videos all the time and upload content and get access to these courses. Yes, it's a grind. Okay, but it's a fast, easy way to make money through the power of YouTube, and you can start as soon as today for free. All right, so get started, guys. I hope you enjoyed this content. If you did, please subscribe and like it, share it, whatever you want to do. I really appreciate you guys being here, and I hope to see you on the next one. Have a good day.